Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Emma. So today you guys, I'm going to attempt to do a Pemrod set, and this is the second time I am trying it. The first time I honestly didn't like how it came out looking. I did it on wet hair and the curls came out frizzy. You could hardly see any definition of a curl. So today I decided, let me try it on dry hair. So I only applied argan oil on my clean hair. My hair is clean. I just washed it yesterday, and then I'm using my mousse, and I'm also using Pemrods and bendy rollers because I wanted to see which one gives a better definition of curls between the bendy rollers and the Pemrod set. So this is why you're seeing in my head I've got Pemrods and I also have bendy rollers. I just want to see which one gives a better definition. However, my hair, it is that thick. I've got really extremely kinky hair, so it's been a struggle to get like a really good definition of curls. Like when I tried it the first time, I didn't like the curl that came out. It was, if there hardly was any curl. So I really love this look though, so that's why I am trying it again. And what I did today is I was picking out like really smaller, thinner section of hair. I remember my first time, I think I was picking up like thicker hair, but now I try to make it really thin, small sections, and just to see how it works out. But this set was actually better than the first one. I couldn't find the picture of my first set that I did. I really wanted to attach it, but this way I found that I got a little bit of a better definition. Yes, it was not the best definition, but it was much better. So picking up smaller sections of hair, it helps, especially if you are new like me. If you've also struggling with the roller set like me, I would advise you as well to just try to take way smaller sections of hair when you are doing your set. I find that it helped. So now this is the next day. I slept with these rollers on my head, and I'm just want to see how does it look. Yeah, not so bad, actually. Not so bad. It looks way much better. The definition of a curl is much better compared to the first one that I did, but still I feel like it could have been better. So I'm gonna keep trying this until I get it right, and maybe there's nothing wrong I'm doing. Maybe it's just that my hair won't just pop like that. So yeah, this is how the curls look like, as you can see. So my hair felt really dry because I didn't apply anything except argan oil, and I didn't use that much in the mousse, so my hair felt really a little bit dry. So right now I'm just taking out some hair cream and then just applying it a bit on the roots of my hair, and I'm also taking a little bit of argan oil and applying it on my hair. So I think also next time when I try this, I should apply a little bit of cream on my hair before I do the roller set, because I saw that my hair was a little bit dry. So now I'm just taking a styling comb and just picking up those curls. So yeah, you guys, I'm done. This is how my hair looks like when I'm trying to do a roller set. So whenever I try to do the roller curls, the curls are not as defined, you know. Like I always see online on YouTube, people have got really properly defined curls. I don't think I'll ever achieve that kind of definition. So I think somebody with the top of my hair would understand exactly what I'm trying to say. So I didn't see any major difference between this and this. The curls were all like, they just look the same. So yeah, that was it for today's video, you guys. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you all for watching. Bye. Ooh. I am loving. Oh, I'm loving it. Oh, I'm loving it. Go. Oh, okay.